everyone, welcome to the Begin Investor Chart for a new tutorial. Today I'm going to make a very simple yet very effective screener for stocks according to Ichimoku. So this is going to be very easy. You're going to be able to apply that to every single stock market there is access on TradingView. All you need to do is to follow my very simple instructions and you will see it's very easy. So we're going to start right away. You're going to go to the bottom left of your corner and select the stock screener by clicking the little arrow, making sure you are on stock screener, and open the window. So we're going to use this according to our preferences to tweak the trading list and the filters to get all the stocks bullish according to Ichimoku, the most bullish stocks. But first, we need to talk about what's a bullish trend for me and according to Ichimoku. So you have the S&P 500 right there. That is a perfect bullish trend according to Ichimoku. For me, it's very simple. I apply these criterias. The first criteria is the price being above the Tenkan, which is here the blue line. The second is the Tenkan being above the Kijun, which is the blue line being above the red line right there. The Kijun being above the cloud, the red line being above all this part that is either green when it's bullish or red when it's bearish, and the cloud being bullish, which means the green line right there where my mouse is being above this red line right there. So if you agree with me, I'm not going to go into the detail why I choose these criteria. If you want, you can join my Discord and ask questions and we'll speak together to check why I chose that. We're going to just apply those criteria into the filters. So let's start right away. To make the first criteria, which is the price above the Tenkan, you are going to need the last price that you just type last into the filters, and you're going to put that above what? Above, you're going to go all the way down the list. You're going to see conversion line. On TradingView, conversion line is the Tenkan. So you click this. It's going to display you all the stocks that have their last price above the conversion line. We have our first filter. We need the second, which is the Tenkan above the Kijun. We go again into the filters. We check for conversion line, which is Ichimoku conversion line. I click on I want that to be above. Above what? Above the baseline, which is the Kijun. Then we have our second criteria. Let's go. We need to make the third one. Third one is the Kijun being above the cloud. To make things clear, when the trend is bullish, the Senkou span A, this part is above the red part. So to make that a numerical expression, we want the red line to be above the green line. I hope we all agree on this. We're going to click there. We're going to do baseline above what? You guessed it, Senkou span A. Boom. There we have our third filter. We move to the last filter, which is the cloud being bullish. What does it mean? It's very simple. We check for span. You have Ichimoku leading span A. We want that to be above the span B. And there you go. You have your Ichimoku filters. This is all you need to get the most bullish stocks according to Ichimoku. Then we're going to look at the trading list. So you have multiple options there. The criteria is to sort your stocks by the most important thing that is for you. So there, I sort them by market cap. You can see that here I have a little arrow saying my stocks list are sorted by market cap. I can sort them by moving average rating. I can sort them by percent change. I can sort them by fundamental metrics. My way is to play according to your strategy. I'm just recommending not anything right now because this is an Ichimoku criteria video. This is not how to make the most optimized screener, but this is everything you need to do. Second thing you also might want to know is you can change the time interval, the time frame you're screening. So there I am choosing, I want my criteria to be applied on the 1 day, so it will give me the stocks with the highest market cap being the most bullish on Ichimoku according to those criteria you see there. But if I want that on the weekly, I click on the weekly time frame and it automatically applies it. If I want that on the monthly, I click on the monthly time frame and it automatically applies it on the monthly. You can see the list changes according to the filters I'm using. I'm going to go back to the daily. Also, you can change the market you're looking at. I'm looking at there at the US market, but this is possible for many different markets. If you're, I don't know, Indian, you can go and check in Asia Pacific. You can see India is right there. If you're Brazilian, you can go and click on Brazil, which is right there. If you're from Italy, you can go and click on Italy right there, and it's going to apply the filters. When you change country, it will ask you to save your filters if you've not saved them. So let's say we change the filters. We're gonna check for symbol type common stock, and we change country. Look at this. Gonna go to Belgium. It asks us to save, or you haven't saved changes. Would you like to save the current filter set? I want to save it. You click on yes, and you give it a name. Boom. And then you'll be able to find it over here in your screener list. So that's everything you need to know to create an Ichimoku bullish screener on stocks. I hope that it's interesting. If you want more information about screener, if you want to go deeper into analysis, you can click the playlist below that lists many different stocks screener and crypto screeners I did. And I will keep digging this subject on this channel because it is one of my very passion to make the fastest software to check for opportunities. And I also have a Discord server where we talk about this often. We talk about screeners, we talk about markets. I try to create a community around there. So if you liked the video, please subscribe, leave a like, join the Discord, and tell me what you think about this in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next videos. That was the Baguette Investor. Goodbye.